Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I wanted to do a video today sharing with you my the newest, component of my journey to 1,000 ounces. I am trying to stack 1,000 ounces of silver because I really believe that fiat currency is doomed for failure, and that a global debt crisis is going to unfold, causing serious ramifications for our way of life changing, as Chris Martinson of peakprosperity.com says, that the next 20 years will be entirely different than the last, in every way imaginable. And so I think preparing for that by stacking silver is a great idea to preserve wealth and utilize something which for thousands of years has been a store of wealth and a means of exchange, which is really good money, namely silver, to kind of carry my family's security and affluence through that anticipated debt crisis. So part of my journey to stack that is to buy some bullion, and I do that every month. But I want to also start coin roll hunting, because some Canadian currency is 80% or 50% silver, depending on the year. And as you can see here, I've got a couple. I went coin roll hunting yesterday. I got 20 rolls of dimes and 10 rolls of quarters from my local bank. And I was able to find 268 dimes, which the 1968 Canadian dime is 50% silver. And so you're talking 1.2 grams of silver per dime, or it's close to 2.33 grams of silver between two dimes at 50%, which is close to a tenth of troy ounce, like it's 0.075 troy ounces. As far as I'm concerned, that'd be a huge win if that were the case. Unfortunately, it's not the case, because although these are 1968s, which is probably a little bit hard to see there, these are 1968s. However, in 1968, the Canadian currency moved from 50% silver to 0% silver. And these are late year releases, meaning that these are unfortunately primarily nickel and therefore not silver content at all. So I was excited and then later disappointed. I have a magnet with me, and I used that to test it after I spent about a day being excited and then realizing, oh, you know what, late 68 aren't silver. So anyways, I tested them and confirmed, sure enough, they are not. I got my magnet here, and they both stick, unfortunately. So those are nickel and absolutely worth nothing more than face value, 10 cents Canadian. And so that's disappointing. But you know what? I had fun. I spent the time with my kids. I was holding my baby, looking through these rolls and talking to my older daughter while she did arts and crafts next to me. As far as I'm concerned, that was a good afternoon spent, performing a hobby, which might have, but didn't, produce silver content to add to my stack. I'm going to do it again. I won't regularly post the content unless I have some success, but I'll share with you guys as I'm kind of going through this, because it's part of my journey. I really think financial crisis is around the corner, and I want to do what I can to accumulate and preserve my family's wealth. Not just for our family, but for the people that are around me that I hopefully can help lift up in a time of real severe crisis that I expect to be coming, whether it's in the next year or 5 years. I really believe that 5 years is kind of the outside chance. And so I think that's all I wanted to say today. I really appreciate you guys' support, guys. Like and subscribe. I don't see a lot of Canadian coin roll hunters online. I'm going to be one of them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Appreciate all of the feedback, Have an awesome day. God bless you guys. Bye for now.